Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review LARQ PureVis 2. The LARQ PureVis 2 is a modern upgrade to the classic reusable water bottle, built with smart technology to keep your water clean and your bottle fresh. Unlike regular bottles that need constant scrubbing, this one uses built-in UV, CLED technology to eliminate up to 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and biocontaminants in your water and on the bottle walls. With just the touch of a button, the self-cleaning mode activates and purifies your water in about 60 seconds. It also automatically cleans itself every 2 hours, so you don't have to worry about unpleasant smells or buildup inside. Design-wise, the LARQ PureVis 2 combines sleek aesthetics with practical features. It's made of stainless steel, double-walled, and vacuum-insulated, keeping your drinks cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. It's lightweight, durable, and available in a variety of stylish colors, making it a great fit for everyday use, travel, or the gym. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 1 month on a single charge, and the waterproof design means you don't have to be overly cautious about spills. Customers who have tried the LARQ PureVis 2 often highlight how convenient it is to have a bottle that keeps itself clean without the hassle of constant washing. Many reviewers appreciate the fresh taste of water even after several hours, while travelers and hikers find it especially useful in areas where water quality may be questionable. However, some people mention that the price is higher than regular water bottles, and a few wish it came in larger sizes for longer trips. Overall, the LARQ PureVis 2 is more than just a water bottle, it's a health and lifestyle upgrade. It gives peace of mind by ensuring your water is safe to drink, while also reducing the effort needed to keep the bottle clean. For people who want a blend of smart technology, premium design, and everyday practicality, it's one of the best self-cleaning bottles on the market. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.